Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. It is another SAT, digital SAT math question. We're going to go ahead and solve it. Um, in this problem, let's read it first and try to get an understanding of the problem. So, the number A is 110% greater than the number B. A is 110% greater of the B. Okay. The number B is 90% less than 47. What is the value of A? Okay, in here, so in this problem, we're just going to, I'm just going to show you a different method to solve this kind of questions because mostly these people are trying to solve it with the fractions to this kind of questions, and sometimes it's a bit actually confusing to most students. So that's why I'm gonna use a different method, and let's pay attention in here, and I hope you just get it and solve all these kind of questions when you faced into. Okay, the number A is, so we're talking about there are two numbers. One is A and there is B. There is also 47 is included, right? So we're talking about three numbers, 47 here. So A is 110% greater than B. Okay, if you're talking about percentages, I always recommend to students to call one piece or a number 100x. Let's call B 100x. Okay, why do we call it 100x again instead of x? Because we are dealing with percentages. Okay, if the B is 100x, A is 110%. If something is 100% double of the things, which means if you're let's say, what is 100% of 5, right? That means it's a whole thing, you're gonna double it. Over here, 110% means you're going to increase it to a 210x, because 110% more of this is going to make 210x. I hope you got this point. And 47, what's the relationship between B and 47? When you just pay attention in here, 47 is, so B is 90% less than 47. So B is just 10%, right? It's like really less amount of the 47. It's just, you can go ahead and say that it is just 10% of 47, which is, most of you can also imagine by saying that, or can guess that it's just for 4.7. Okay, you're right, you can just go ahead and say that. Or imagine this is the 47 is 10 times, like this is 10% of it, the whole 47 is gonna be 100%, so which is 10 times of the B, which is when you multiply 100x by 10, you will receive 1000x to 47. If 1000x is 47, let's solve that. 47 is equal to 1000x. To get this x by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 1000. Just cancel each other out, and x will be 47 over 1000. And what was the question again? What is the value of A? To find value of A, we called A 210x. Let's go ahead and multiply 210 by 47 over 1000. So there is no denominator of the 210, which is 1, right? When there is no denominator indicated. If you will go ahead and multiply, you're again allowed to use your calculator during the test. 210 times 47 and divide that by 1000, you're going to get 9.87 for the value of A. Okay? This is how you solve this kind of questions, okay, percentages. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. You'll thank me later.